Ever felt like you're cramming a year's worth of knowledge the night before an exam? You're not alone, but there's a better way. Let's be honest, we've all been there, staring at a stack of notes, feeling completely overwhelmed. But what if I told you studying doesn't have to be this stressful? That's right. There are numerous revision techniques out there designed to make your study sessions more manageable and, dare I say, enjoyable. So buckle up and get ready to revolutionize the way you study. First up, flashcards. Forget the old-fashioned method of reading from the textbook. Flashcards are here to save your day and your grades. Now, what makes flashcards an effective tool for targeted revision? They're more than just tiny pieces of paper with words on them. You see, flashcards test your knowledge in a way that reinforces your understanding. They make you recall information, strengthening your memory and making those facts stick. But let's not stop there. Note-taking is another superhero in the world of revision. It's not about creating a beautiful work of art, though a bit of color never hurt anyone. It's about organizing and condensing material. Imagine trying to drink from a fire hose. That's what studying from a textbook can feel like. Note-taking turns that fire hose into a manageable stream, helping you focus on the most important information. So, if you've been stressing about how to revise, it's time to put down that textbook and pick up some flashcards. Start taking notes that help you digest the information, not just regurgitate it. Bid goodbye to messy notes and hello to flashcards and organized note-taking. Ever heard of the Pomodoro Technique? No, it's not a new Italian recipe. It's a clever way to approach your revision. Picture this. You're a timer ticking away, fully focused on your work for 25 minutes straight. That's one Pomodoro. Once you've finished a Pomodoro, you take a short 5-minute break. A moment to breathe, stretch, or even make a cup of tea. After every fourth Pomodoro, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique keeps your brain fresh and alert, preventing burnout and keeping your productivity high. With the Pomodoro Technique, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about Blurting and Cornell. No, those aren't indie bands. First up, the Blurting Method. It's as expressive as it sounds. Essentially, you read a chunk of information, then you close your books and write down as much as you can remember. Quite like a pop quiz with yourself, isn't it? It's a fantastic way to test your recall ability, and let's be honest, it's also a bit of fun to see how much you can remember. Moving on, we have the Cornell Method. This one is a bit more structured. Picture this. Divide your page into 2 columns. The right column is for comprehensive notes. Jot down everything you learn. The left column, well, that's for keywords or questions that summarize the right column. At the end of the page, leave a section for a summary. This method helps to organize your thoughts and makes revision a breeze. With these methods, you'll be a master of your study materials in no time.